Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tralalero, Tralala, the Brainrot shark. So let's get started. To draw this cool shark, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eye. So I'm going to start about right here and just draw a small circle. And then I'll come to the top right here and draw another circle for a highlight and shade the rest in. And then from there, I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come, let's see here. Let's say the middle right here of the eye. I'm just going to come out and I'll just say about right here. Just give myself a point, just approximate to where the snout will be. So then from there, I'm going to round this part off. Go right there, just draw this curve. And then we're going to go up over the eye to the top of the shark's head, right up top, and then the bottom part. There, so we'll create this curve around the eye. Then from there, let's just bring this out past the eye, going up higher. And I'll just keep going to say about right there. And then in this area, I'm going to draw the shark fin. So right here, I'm going to pop this up. I'm still kind of going at this angle and about right here. Just kind of round off the tip and then bring it down. And as I bring it down, I'll stop about right there and just kind of imagining there's going to be a hump right here. And we're going to come down for the back of our shark. Okay, so now that we have that, let's continue the bottom part. So right about here, as we pass the eye, we're going to kind of go in a little bit and then out for the tummy area. It's very subtle, or you just keep going at a curve, doesn't really matter. But if you can, just kind of tuck it in a little bit and then pop it out. And let's say about right underneath this fin is where we're going to draw another fin for the arm. So let's say about right under here, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. From there, let's just go ahead and draw this fin arm, as you call it. So I'm going to bring this down and right here. Just continue it. And so I'm kind of going to bend about right here because this curve is going to hit, so like the tummy area, about right here. So then here I'll bend it and then bring it down, kind of like an elbow, and bring it down. So then the rest of the shark, I'm just going to go ahead, curve this part, and then about right here we're going to go back up a little bit. And then let's go ahead and finish the shark. So we're going to come down. So it's going to get thinner as we come towards the tail. So I'm just going to go back and forth. Let's see here, about right here. Then bring this in. And about right there. Let's go ahead and we can draw the tail. So it's kind of straighten that out, and then right about here we're just going to pop this part out to draw the tail and bring it down, curve about right here, and connect there. Okay, so we've got this shape in. Now we can kind of go back in here. And I'm just going to kind of flatten this out a little bit more. So just kind of bring it in so that this tummy area kind of pops out. Then right underneath the eye, about, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the mouth and come down just a little bit and thicken it up. There. And then right about in this area, we're going to draw the gills. So about here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw 3 curves. And a longer one, just to change it up. And so then from there, we need to come back, and we're going to come back to where the snout is, and we're going to kind of go about right here. And then we're going to curve up and then down underneath this eye. And we're going to go through the gills, through the arm. So we're just going to do the different part of the shark, the belly from the top, to separate it. And then right here, we're just going to continue it all the way down to the tail. To about right there. Just to give it some detail. And then right in here, you can just kind of draw 2 ovals. Just kind of blot it in for the nostrils. There, starting to look like a shark, right? Hopefully. And then from there, let's come back in this area. We need to draw a small fin. Pop it in. And then let's just go ahead and finish this one right here. So let's bring it down a little bit more. Get a little bit thinner. And I'm just going to really simplify the shoe. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw this oval around the fin, the arm. And then we're going to come out, come down. And then this part is going to come down. We're just going to draw this big shoe. So this one's going to be the biggest because it's towards the front. So about right here, curve, and wobble and in to create this shoe. So I'm just totally simplifying it. So let's come back to say about right here. Just going to draw a curve and curve in. And I'll just draw maybe 3 curves for some indication of laces. Another curve here. And definitely need to draw the sole. So right here, wobble a little bit. And then very important, we need to draw the Nike logo. So just draw the swoosh right here. And then let's draw the other arm, so the other side. So let's say about right here in this area. There, and curve down. And once again, I'm going to do the same thing. This shoe is going to be slightly smaller, but same idea. So let's say about right here. Let's end it. And once again, connect. There. And then the back one. So this kind of weird third leg here. So about right here, going out this way, and here, and once again, same thing. So this shoe is going to be the smallest. So just keep that in mind when you draw it. But at the same angle as this shoe. So just about here, so continuing at the same angle. There. Okay, got the hardest parts in. And then right about here, you can draw another little fin, and then maybe another one right here, I think. And let's see, I'll put a little curve over the eye. And you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and finish this curve. I should have just done that. I think it looks better with that curve there. To finish up the body. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Tralalero Tralala. the Brainrot shark. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.